Hi lovelies, welcome back to my channel. Today I am back with another hair video. I have had this twist in for 7 weeks 2 days. Today I will take it down with so much care, intention and a whole lot of love. If you're interested to know how to take down your twist without breakage and how to retain the length you've been able to grow, this video is for you. Sit back and let's get right into the video. Running my hands through my hair, I can tell that this takedown process is going to be a smooth one. As you can see here, my parts are still visible and I don't have much matting in my hair because I have been intentional with this one, oiling my scalp, hydrating, moisturizing and sealing in the moisture every other day. Also on week 4, I did my usual wash day routine with my twist in, and after washing my hair, I went ahead to moisturize, deep condition and seal in the moisture back into my hair. Looking at my hair right now, I can tell for a fact that putting in the work actually paid off. I sectioned my hair in 2 and tie up one section with a hair tie and began working with one section. Here I am going in with just water to spray and hydrate my hair. I have just water in this spray bottle, but sometimes I do go in with aloe vera juice, herbal tea, but you can go ahead to use whatever works for your hair, whatever works for you, as long as it hydrates your hair. This process of hydration softens the strand and makes the takedown more smooth and helps any product you're going to add on afterwards seep in well into your hair. After spraying the water into my hair, I go ahead to rub that in, crunch it into my hair, making sure my entire strand is hydrated. Yeah, I have okra solution which I DIY'd. I went ahead to apply the okra solution to my hair from the ends of my hair to the root of my hair because this treatment is very beneficial to your entire hair. It helps melt away any matted knots and helps the takedown process go smoothly. I have a detailed video on how to make this okra solution, and I also discuss the benefits of the solution to your hair and to your scalp. So do well to check that video. I'll link it up in the description box and I'll also link it in the comment section. The okra solution almost got into my eyes, but thank God. So I worked the product right into my hair, and when I was satisfied with the way my hair was feeling, I began the takedown process. I gently run my fingers, my hands down my strand and I begin to unravel gently with my fingers. I started from my ends and worked my way up to the root. I unraveled the hair in the opposite direction in which I twisted the hair. I began my twist with braids. I decided to begin the edges with braids because water easily gets in contact with these parts of my hair. I went round with braids while the middle I began with just twisting. And when I got to the braid, I got the floss you use for your teeth and I used that to unravel the braid. So beginning your twist with braids versus beginning your twist with twists have different takedown methods. Taking down a twist which you began with twists is very easy to take down compared to taking down twists which you began with braids. I discovered that beginning my twist with braids lasts longer than the twist I begin with twists. So most times, to cut down the time, because the part I don't like is the takedown process, I only braid around my edges and the nip and go on to twist the other parts. And I went ahead to detangle, gently feeling for any tangle, any knots, any shed hair. Then I went to the next one. I unraveled that the opposite way. I twist it. I didn't begin that one with a braid, so it was much more easier to unravel. As you can see here, I just run my fingers through to finger comb and also detangling, feeling for any knots, any tangles to take out. And the ochre solution is doing a great job right here. It just seeps and melts into my hair and melt out every tangle. Our kinky hair thrives when we handle it with care. Our strands are very delicate and every tug counts. I am not just taking down my twists. I am honoring the journey my hair has been on this past 7 weeks. And I'm not about to ruin it with impatience. I go gently with all patience. That was why I kept the hair for this long, because I needed to be in the right state of mind and have enough time to do this. If you're seeing my face for the first time, my name is Joycelma James. I create content centered around lifestyle, cooking, natural hair tips, and I also do occasional vlogs. So you're welcome to subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up, join this family if you're yet to do so. And I'll be in the comment section to reply all comments. So let's chat in the comment section. I'll stop talking right now and let you enjoy the video. If I find a need to comment or say something, I'm going to come back. So keep on watching and enjoy the video.
Natural grace to empower each day, one strand at a time. Oh hey, sharing love in a natural way, living out in a natural way, living our best life. Oh, tips and styles that glow, hair care from root to tip, empowerment every sip. Feel the soul in the air, natural vibes everywhere. Together we rise and live with every style and gift.
So see here, I had braids in. To help me get the braids, I bring out the 3 legs. You know, when you're braiding, you separate the hair into 3. Afterwards, I took one middle portion and section it in 2 to get 2 legs to twist. So I had to detangle and make sure I get the 3 legs out so that when I'm taking down the braids, it will be much easier. So if you don't detangle before going in to take down the braids, your hair might end up getting matted and tangled up. You see how it went smoothly because I did that little process. I had to share that. When taking down your twist, that you begin with braids at the root. After taking out the whole twist and you get to the braid, make sure you detangle first and separate the hair to get the 3 legs before you go on to unravel the braid. If not, your hair might get tangled up. Just watch and see how I did it. And I'm going to leave you guys right now to listen to a special song from my son. Enjoy.
I mean, what you eating in yours? I was eating. I was eating yours.
Is your daddy in the car? Is your daddy downstairs?
Yes, it's upstairs.
Okay, go and wash your camera and come. Hold on. Mama pause her video.
1 hour later.
That was my son. He wanted to eat. He said, I want to eat noodles. He meant noodles. He wanted to eat noodles. I had to go attend to him and I spent 1 whole hour there and I'm back. If you did enjoy that beautiful rendition from my son, just type in the comment section. Thank you. God bless you. So back to the video. Yeah, so taking out your twist, dry your braids, it's a recipe. It's a fast track to hair breakage. I don't do that here. We don't do that here. We want to grow healthy hair and also retain the length we've been able to grow. Look at how this takedown is going on smoothly. So far, no breakage. I'm taking out the twist smoothly. Look at how I slide my hands through that twist and went ahead to use my fingers to detangle and look out for any matted knots, any tangles, and I just take that out with my fingers. No rush. All I need for this takedown is patience. A whole lot of patience to take down this hair. So I had to set aside this day. I pushed wash day till I had the time so I don't rush because I'm not ready to break my hair. Yeah, so I took my time. I gave each twist the time they needed for the takedown process, and the DIY okra solution I made this process smooth. Like it just melts into my hair and helped me take down the twist with so much patience, taking my hair strand by strand, detangling, taking out every tangles with so much patience, pulling it out of the shedded hair that was holding it, that was matting it up. This is what our hair needs. This is what you have to do to prevent breaking off your hair, which you've been able to grow to retain your length. And just look at that. See how the twist just glided out. Like, see how it glide out. Don't try that if your hair is very matted. You have to listen to your hair. I actually listen to my hair. I use my fingers to feel my hair. Your hair talks to you. Feel your hair, listen to your hair, and you will know what your hair needs. You will know how to go about your hair. There's no one solution fits all. Just do what works for you, what works for your hair. But this is how I do it. So you can try this, try the okra solution, try water and deep conditioner, try aloe vera juice, and you can try just water. I also detangle my hair most times with water. So just don't detangle your hair dry. Don't take down your hair dry. Is a recipe for breakage. Is a fast track to not seeing length, a fast track to breakage. So here I have a more close-up view of how I take down my twist. I take it down from the ends and unravel the hair the opposite direction in which I installed the twist. Yeah, I have a shed hair that is causing that part to mat, so I just take out one leg from the matted knots and I go ahead to detangle with my finger, taking out the hair strand by strand from the shed hair causing the matting. If you've watched up to this point and you're yet to subscribe to my channel, go ahead to do that right now. Give this video a like, a thumbs up, and subscribe to support this growing channel. So this is the shed hair that was matting up the hair over there. I took that out. I'll go ahead to detangle the other leg. So I'll stop talking right now and let you enjoy the video. If I find a need to comment or say something, I'm going to come back. So keep on watching and enjoy the video.
Life unfolds with joys on my own. Natural grace to empower.
After taking out a reasonable amount of section, I go ahead to put my hair in a twist. I twist it out of the way to keep everything neat and to avoid it from getting matted into the hair which I am working with. I went ahead to do the other part off camera and I am back here and I'm done with one section. I'm on to the next section right here, repeating the same process, going gently, no rush, taking my time, detangling before going on to unravel the braids. Actually unraveled that braid with my fingers. That was smooth. The product had really seeped in, so it was easy to just unravel. Do not mind my groove right here. I was listening to a music in the background while taking down my twist. You know, anything to make your takedown fun. Taking down my hair, listening to music, so it's not boring. It feels like I've been talking too much, so I'll just pause and let you watch and enjoy the video. If you've watched up to this point, thank you so much for watching, and subscribe to my channel if you're yet to do so. So I'm just done with the final section. When I was taking down the back, I thought my camera was on, but it was off, and I only noticed when I was about to put it in a twist. But yeah, you saw the takedown process. I took several breaks. The first time I took an hour to attend to my son, ate, relaxed, played with him, came back. While on that, waiting, cooking, I finished the back off camera. I took 2 hours again. After calculating the hours I used, the hours I went out, the pauses, taking down this hair in total took me just an hour 30 minutes. It was a very smooth one, and this twist wasn't as tiny as my regular twist. It was a bit bigger than the regular mini twist I usually do, so it was very easy to take down. Yeah, so this is it. I am done taking down my 7 weeks 2 days hair. No breakage, just shed hairs. These are all the shed hairs I have. I'm sure you'll be wondering how I did my wash day and what I did after washing my hair, and that is why I'm going to do a continuation of this video where I washed my hair and did the condition and did a little treatment. So subscribe to my channel if you're yet to do so, and watch the next video.